Hi everyone, I'm Gregg Wilson. I'm an American OEM designer, and like you, I'm an RVer. Today I will show you how to replace an obsolete, weathered, partially melted porch light with one of my patented 5-star motion guard products, the MG1000-450B. We're going to use the optional adapter plate B on a 2008 Beaver Contessa. The advantages of purchasing the Super Saver bundle are twofold. One, the adapter plate is going to match most of the fixtures used in the RV world today, which means no new holes are necessary to mount the fixture. And two, some of you folks, when you remove your porch light from the side of your coach, are going to note that there is no paint behind that fixture. The adapter plate will cover that area as well. It should be noted at this point, disconnect the power to the fixture before any work begins to alleviate any short circuits, burnt wires, blown fuses. Please follow the instructions provided on the back of the package and on the website www.rvledlites.com. This is the old fixture as installed on the coach, noting that over its years it's had different bulbs placed in it, some bigger than what was certified for the fixture, and you'll note that the ABS plastic has melted. To remove that fixture, remove the 4 screws as noted above. Cut the wires as shown. Strip the end of those wires to get ready to install the new MG1000-450B-A. Clean the surface of all dirt, old sealer, and debris. Hold the adapter up, lining up the holes, and pull 2 inches of wire out as shown above. Remove the adapter and seal the hole with silicone sealant to waterproof the wall penetration. At this time, please check to be sure that the weep hole is on the bottom of the adapter plate before proceeding to the next step. Attach the adapter plate B, again being sure the weep hole is down using the old screws from your old light or the new screws provided with the kit. At this point, you need to glue the gasket into the groove into the main housing where shown above. Please note where the arrows are, there's a groove in the main housing. In that groove, we're going to put 6 little drops of silicone, and then we're going to install the gasket with the flat side out. Once the MG450 is wired in, it's time to test the fixture. We test this by powering the fixture off and on until the main LED lights up as shown above. Once the main LED lights up, as shown above, again toggle the power off and on, and the blue LED will start to blink, again as shown. Now that the fixture is tested out, it's time to proceed to the next step in mounting the fixture. To mount the fixture, be sure to use the short screws in the kit provided. Mount the MG450 to the adapter plate using those short screws as shown above. This is the layout of the features of the MG1000-450. And in the enlarged box, note the arrow. That's the sensitivity adjustment. By turning that adjustment clockwise, you increase the footprint or the sensed area. By turning it counterclockwise, you decrease the sensed area. Replace the fixture lens cover and enjoy. The MG1000-450B-A is a highly rated bundle, and it's very popular because it just works. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please do call us or email us using the contact information below. You can also find the Motion Guard products at the following fine stores: and lastly, please subscribe. We work hard. And like us here on YouTube. Travel safe, and thank you for watching.